Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Choosing One Tutorial Center. I'm here to take you on a topic titled Speed, Velocity, and Acceleration. Now, when you talk of speed in physics is actually defined as the rate of change of distance at time. That means as a body is moving from a particular region to another particular region, the rate of change of this distance moved by that body to time. So now, when you say speed is the rate of change distance. Rate of change of distance to time taken. Which means speed equals to what? Distance S over what? Time taken. Or you say speed equals to what? Or you say speed equals to what? Rate of change of distance to what? Time taken. And when you talk of speed, it's actually what? As I earlier said, the rate of change of what? Of a distance moved by a body with respect to time taken. And it has a unit of what? Unit of what? Meters per second. Which means, how do we get this to be meter per second? Which means rate of change of distance is what? Is a meter to seconds. So this division sign gives us this side, or it's also written as what? Meter seconds is power minus 1. It's the same thing as this. You either write it this way or you write it this way. And also, another thing to note about speed is that speed is a what? Is a what? Scalar quantity. It's actually speed. Note, speed is a what? Scalar quantity. Don't forget, as I've earlier said, that speed is the rate of change of distance to time taken. Or you say speed is the rate of change of distance to time taken, or distance moved to time taken. Then I said speed equals to what? The rate of change of distance all over what? Time taken. And this unit is either in meter per second, either you write it in meters per second, which is meter per second, or you write it meter second raised to power minus 1. It's the same thing. Then I also said that speed is what? Is a what? A scalar quantity. Why? Because it has only magnitude for no direction. So now when we talk of velocity, there's actually this confusion between students. What is the difference between velocity and speed? Are they not the same thing? No. They are not the same thing. Why? Because there's a different, they have the same unit, but different definition in terms of one is actually what? A vector, and one is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a what? A vector quantity. So now when you talk of velocity, can say velocity is the rate of what? The rate of change of displacement towards to time taken, which means velocity v equals to what? Rate of change of displacement towards time taken. And unit of this velocity is also what? Meter per second. And the difference between this velocity and speed is that speed is a what? A scalar quantity. While velocity is a vector quantity. Now, what do we mean by scalar quantity? Scalar quantity are quantity that has only magnitude. Are quantities that have only magnitude but no direction. That's what we call a scalar quantity. So when we talk of vector quantity, scalar quantities, quantities, vector quantities are quantities that has both magnitude and direction. They have both magnitude and direction. So that's the meaning of what when we say speed is a scalar quantity. Vector velocity is a vector quantity. What we mean that is that one has just only magnitude, and the other has both. That's both magnitude and what? And direction. So now moving on, hope we can all see, we can all understand the difference between both speed and what? And velocity. One of the differences is that one is the rate of change of distance to time, that's for speed, and speed is what? A scalar quantity. While velocity is what? Is the rate of change of displacement to time taken, and it's what? A vector quantity. And we said scalar quantities are quantities that has only magnitude but no direction. And vector quantities are quantities that has both magnitude and direction. That means speed has magnitude but no direction. But velocity has both what? Magnitude and direction. That's why it's called a what? A vector quantity. No. So now moving on to acceleration. So now when we talk of acceleration is actually the rate of change of velocity to time taken. Now acceleration is what? Is the rate of change of velocity to time taken, which means